Maverick Indicators here. It is 8:52 a.m. on a Monday morning, and just got done approving some new members. So welcome new members that joined this weekend. A lot of lifetime members that joined this weekend. That's awesome. You guys cashed in on those 3 bonus indicators, one of them being the Maverick Trender right down here that I will never, ever trade without. I love it. I love it. I love it. And we're in this trade. We're up about $700. Let me show you, first off, before we even jump into that, can I show you why I love the Maverick Trender? The Maverick Trender is this indicator down here. When it's pegged to the top, when you get these flat lines, it can really show you some nice trades. If you would have just taken this flat line all the way up to, let's say you didn't even get the full move, you got it from here to there. Well, that is a, let's see here, 89.1 to 13.5. Holy smokes, 89. So let's say plus, what did I say, 89? All right, times 10. Times, let's see here, this is gold, so we are making $10 a tick. That's a $2,400 move right here. $2,400 from this level up to this level where the Maverick Trender was pegged. Unbelievable, unbelievable. So let me remove this drawing right there. Okay, so why are we in this? Well, it's really taken off. Okay, I should be paying attention over here. All right. So why are we in this trade? Well, first off, we're in 2 contracts of gold, and we have a red background. Let the Maverick indicators guide you, okay? So red background, we started getting all these down confidence arrows. 1, 2, 3 down confidence arrows. They're not buy and sell signals, they're confidence arrows. They're letting you know you're going in the right direction. We've been in this uptrend with bright green candles. Bright green candles is your strongest upside candle. If you've ever looked at a candle and you say, other than the size of it, you go, well, what's the strength? What's the excitement behind it? What is all the things behind a candle? You can't just tell by looking at a candle, but the Maverick AI Pro colors it bright green for you to let you know strong, 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 strong. Then you start getting these like darker green candles, and now we got gray candles. What are gray candles? Indecision or reversal. Indecision or reversal. What does this look like? Looks like a reversal to me, okay? So we had bright green candles, then we started getting these down confidence arrows, and we went from bright green to gray. Okay, that's our heads up. Now, we've also had a close below the Maverick guide, this blue line right here. See this blue line right here? This is your Maverick guide. When you're above the Maverick guide, we go long, okay? When we're above it, we go long. Now, this is middle of the night stuff. Nobody's trading there. Above the Maverick guide, we go long. Below it, even though it's a quick scalp, you're going short. Above it, you're going long. I mean, look at it. Below it, you're going short. Above it, you go long. Below it, you go short. Above it, you go long. Below it, you go short. Above it, you go long. Below it, you go short. Okay, so you're getting the picture here. Above the Maverick guide, we go long. Below it, we go short. Okay, so what do we got? We have broken below the blue line, which is your Maverick guide. We got these down confidence arrows. We've gone from bright green candles to gray. Now we have red candles, okay? What I'd love for is some pink candles, but we'll see this is pre-market. On top of that, so our Maverick AI Pro is guiding us. Red background, down confidence arrows, gray candles. We went from a bright green candle to a reversal candles, and now we're getting red candles, okay? Our Maverick Multi-X, this little box down here, instead of having 6 charts on your screen or 6 monitors on your desktop, why not just have the Maverick Multi-X? You can set it for any time frame you want. I like the 1 minute through the 15 minute and pre-market. Later on, I'll change this to like a 60 minute and I'll go higher time frames, but I'm not looking for big explosive moves before the market opens. 5 traders all looking at 6 time frames, and I hate how TradingView makes my mouse do that, but I have it set for the 1 minute, the 2, the 3, the 5, the 10, and the 15, and you can set it for a 7th time frame, and again, you can choose whatever time frames you want. Think of these as 5 traders, and they all have an independent trading style and biases. So think of this like they're all casting their vote across 6 time frames. Imagine trading with 5 other expert traders. This is like trading with training wheels. So when you have 5 independent traders, all with a different style, voting on the 1 minute and saying, yeah, we're bearish, voting on the 2 minute saying, yeah, we're bearish, voting on the 3 minute and saying, yeah, we're bearish, voting on the 5 minute and saying, yeah, we're all bearish. I mean, like, you're not going to go long in that little bit of time, right? Okay. So what do we have? We have red background, down confidence arrows, reversal candles. Gray is indecision or reversal. This is definitely a reversal. We've broken below the blue line, our Maverick guide. When you're above the Maverick guide, you go long. When you're below the Maverick guide, you go short. I can't make it any easier than that. Our Maverick Multi-X, 5 traders across 6 time frames are mostly voting bearish, okay? You have a couple holdouts on the 10 and the 15, but look what's been happening on the 10 and the 15-minute chart, okay? Your lower time frames are going to turn first. And then our Maverick trender is still holding out. We don't have an actual trend yet because we've gone in, we're kind of in reversal mode here. So we're going to wait for the Maverick trender to pop up and tell us, do we have a trend label? Right now we don't, but that's okay. It's pre-market, and you don't get a lot of strong moves in pre-market, although we did this, so I guess that's not always entirely true. All right, so right now we're in 2 contracts. I'm not looking for the world. Let me move this. Sorry, I moved my stop loss like way out of the way so it didn't distract you guys. My take profit, and now we're just going to watch this thing. My hope is, and it's a hope because I don't determine the market direction, that we start to get pink candles here. If you see pink, it will most likely sink. Pink is your strongest downside candle. Now this is post-market. That's like 4 o'clock in the afternoon. This is 9:30 in the morning. If you see pink, it will most likely sink, okay? You get these big pink moves. Now I am on gold. Gold has been bullish for forever. So you're not going to see a ton of pink on gold. But if you see pink, it will most likely sink. Look at this. All these down confidence arrows, you're below the blue line. When you're below the blue line, you go short. When you're above the blue line, you go long. Below the blue line, you go short. And look at all these pink candles. Look at all these down confidence arrows. I mean, the Maverick AI Pro is screaming at you to jump into a short. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I mean, it's just like they just keep coming. They just keep coming. So we're up about $800 on this trade. Again, I know you guys wanted to see more TradingView examples because I normally trade on NinjaTrader. But here's your TradingView example. So 2 contracts. This thing was screaming at me to get in. It said, Maverick, we got the red background. We got down confidence arrows. We've gone from bright green candles to gray reversal candles. We're below the Maverick guide. Again, when you're above the Maverick guide, you go long. When you're below the blue line, you go short. And now it's starting to give me some red candles, okay? This is within 1 minute of the new 5-minute bar. So you guys know I don't do anything within the first and the last minute of a new 5-minute bar. That's where the market makers, I think, like to grab stop losses. That's just my theory, if you will. All right. So again, pretty stress-free trade. We're up about $700, and we're letting the Maverick AI Pro paint the candles, give us the down confidence arrows, give us the Maverick guide. I would never trade without the blue line on my screen. Above it, we go long. Below it, we go short. And then we look at the Maverick Multi-X. It's still mostly red, at least for our initial 4 time frames. Okay, and look, now we got bearish across the first 4 time frames. All 5 traders are voting bearish across the first 4 time frames. And now we just watch what happens, okay? Maverick trender is now pegged to the top, and we have a downtrend label. See how it's pegged to the top? We love these flat tops. These flat tops are beautiful. Now, you're probably saying, well, you got a lot of spikiness over here. Well, yeah, but nobody's trading. The big boys aren't trading at 4 a.m. They're just not. Like, the majority of them are not trading at 4 a.m. Okay, so did we kind of call it? We said the Maverick Multi-X, 5 traders were all voting across the first 4 time frames bearish. And look, it was coming up when it said that. But look at us now. We're up over $1,000 on this trade. Okay, I might have jinxed us. We're up almost $1,000 on this trade, and the candle was going up, but we saw that 5 traders were all voting across the first 4 time frames, all bearish. Okay, starting to get another down confidence arrow. Starting to get that down confidence arrow. Our Maverick trender. Again, only my lifetime members have this. I gave it to you guys for free a few weeks ago. I would never trade without it. All right, now look at it pop down. We're up about $1,200. Okay, showing a downtrend label. Your line is all the way pegged to the top of the screen right here. Okay, and look at it go. All right, look at it go. Move my stop down so I protect my capital here. All right. So again, bright green candles is your strongest upside candle. Then we got gray candles, indecision or reversal. This was a reversal. Down confidence arrows, red background, started to get red candles. Downtrend label, Maverick trender is pegged to the top, and my Maverick Multi-X. 5 traders voting across 6 time frames. They're all voting for the most part bearish. Okay. So this is how you don't get shaken out. This is how you trade with clarity. And so, don't take my word for it. Come to our website, MaverickIndicators.com. Read the reviews from our traders, okay? We have traders crushing it right now using these indicators. Come check us out. Not financial advice. Do your own research. But come and read what they have to say. There's tons of reviews on our website, all right? And we don't just pick and choose. There's tons of reviews on our website. If you want clear vision, if you want edge in the market, if you don't want to get shaken out as much, if you want trading with training wheels and trade with 5 other traders across 6 time frames, have your labels, let the AI tell you what the candle is actually doing and what's behind the scenes. Look at us right now, okay? That candle was going straight up, but the Maverick Multi-X kept us in, all right? And we teach you how to use these indicators. Come check us out, all right? Check out the lifetime because you'll get the Maverick trender for free. You'll get $1,500 in indicators for free. It's unstinking believable. We're not going to do it forever. But if you want clear vision on your charts, if you want the indicators I wish I had when I first started, to be honest with you, come check us out. MaverickIndicators.com. That's MaverickIndicators.com. We would love to help you crush it. We got it available for TradingView and NinjaTrader, just so you know, and we can get you hooked up on both. All right, so come check us out, MaverickIndicators.com. That's MaverickIndicators.com.